Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we are discussing a new subject that is software quality assurance. Software quality assurance is a combination of three words: software, quality, and assurance. Now, first of all, we define software. What is software? A software is a set of instructions given to the computer to solve a problem. And now we define quality. A quality refers to any variable characteristics. For example, portability, reliability, and integrity. And now, last we define assurance. What is assurance? A statement intended to inspire confidence or a binding commitment to do. Finally, we define SQA. SQA stands for Software Quality Assurance. It is a process oriented. It is a process to ensure that the quality of the software. It monitors the software engineering processes and methods used in a project to ensure its quality. It provides enhanced software quality, better reliability, and the third one is time cost saving. Thank you for watching this video.